ESP is a leading name in supplying security-related products to the UK electrical industry. Situated in the heart of the Midlands at our 32,000 square foot HQ, we're a family-run business that's been established for over 20 years, reaching an annual turnover of £10 million from our extensive product line, with over 2,200 trading accounts providing a full network of wholesalers across the UK. Our 24,000 square foot warehouse and distribution centre allows us to stock over 1,000 product lines with a stock value of £4 million. We're able to offer 99% availability on stock at any given time. From our head office, we design, develop and manufacture for product distribution worldwide. As part of our technical support service, we offer detailed advice on system design across our entire product range. Our comprehensive range of electrical solutions include CCTV kits, access control door entry kits, multi-zone fire alarm kits, and smart home security kits for that added peace of mind, along with Sangamo's heating controls and time switches, all coming together to make ESP the market leader in the electrical industry.